Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to install Xampp on your Linux computer. So all you have to do is go to this URL. I will put this link in description and download the Xampp for Linux. I have this already downloaded, so I'm not going to download this again. So go to downloads. I have this lampp.run. This is the setup. So you have to and simply sudo lampp.run. This is how you open the setup actually, and just simply install it. I have this already installed, so I'm not going to install it because I have data in htdocs and phpMyAdmin. So this is how you install it. It's quite simple. You must have installed this on your Windows computer. So once this is installed, problem how you can run it, because there is no executable file that runs the Xampp control panel. So you have to type cd and go to opt and lamp. This is where Xampp is located actually. So you just go there and type, you have to run this file. So you have to type sudo Xampp start. Oh god, wait. So Xampp has started. Let's see if we can access this. Localhost, and this is Xampp dashboard and phpMyAdmin. If you want to copy files in your localhost, you have to go to your opt, then lamp, and this is htdocs folder. This is where you host files. So I think it's quite simple. If you have any queries, ask in comments, and thank you for watching my video and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.